Aberley Twin Hickory represents a new style of living in the beautiful Twin Hickory neighborhood in Richmond's West End. The beautiful community is just minutes away to world-class shopping at Short Pump Town Center and easy access to I-64, I-295, and I-95. Take a stress-relieving dip in our beautiful resort-style pool. Spend relaxing afternoons on the large entertainment patio with outdoor fireplace, grilling stations, and plenty of seating. Meet up with friends after work at our internet cafe with lounge areas, billiard table, large smart TVs, computers, and coffee bar. All of these amenities and so much more. The desirable Twin Hickory neighborhood features tree-lined streets, miles of bike trails, and sparkling ponds with fountains. Enjoy unmatched comfort in spacious, pet-friendly floor plans with 9-foot ceilings and gorgeous crown molding. Find your inner chef in our fully equipped kitchens or entertain family and friends in the spacious living areas. The bedrooms boast large closets, and our floor plans include ensuite options. Experience the perfect balance of serenity, convenience, and comfort at Aberley Twin Hickory. All of this plus an award-winning on-site management and service team, 24 hours a day emergency maintenance, and the H.H. Hunt How You Live lifestyle. Start living the life you deserve and contact us today for a tour of Aberley Twin Hickory in Glen Allen, Virginia. AberleyTwinHickory.com. Aberley Twin Hickory is a part of H.H. Hunt Apartment Living. Visit all our communities at hhhuntapartmentliving.com. H.H. Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.